from the executive department.
Sir, di ba yung palasyo nagsabi na sila parang a month ago na tapusin na that either na pinapin? Paano ko ma-dismiss?
Eh hindi nga magkasundo eh. What can we do? Hindi magkasundo. Katakot-takot ang bintang. Katakot-takot ang... this is my personal opinion. I'm sick and tired of the allegations of insertions and pork barreling. Pwede mo lang.
Sir, may mga big ticket projects,
You
di
know,
ba,
from
sir?
2014 to the present, I have never touched any PDAP. From that time up to this year. Oh. So, hindi ako natatakot na mag-re-enact na.